Hello YouTube, this is Ian Bartlett again, and I'm coming over a video showing you how to use the Solver tool in Microsoft Excel. It's a great tool similar to the goal seek from the what if analysis, and I'll post a video up during during this recording. All right, and you can call me at my direct number at 910-273-5256 and email at andrew@databasecontrols.com, and here's my website as well. All right, let's begin. All right, so I basically made a very extremely simple Excel layout right here. You see you have your quantity and whatever you sold, and your total quantity on hand, and these are just random numbers I made. And so you get your total, which is positive, and obviously I just did an auto sum pretty much. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to, let's say we want to make 37 to, let's say 100, okay, by changing all this stuff right here, all this right here. So the quantity and sold, all right? So let's go, what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna add something called the solver. And how you add this is you go into options. Now I removed it just to show you how to do this. So you go to add-ons, and so you already have the analysis tool pack, so you go to go and solver. Okay, it'll refresh a little bit. All right, then you go to your data tab, you hit the solver. Well, beforehand it's just telling you need to select some rows. So we're going to go set objective. Okay, let's just leave this right here. Set objective. So we want this to equal, sorry I had that in there earlier. Let's say equal 100. Let's say you want to sell 100 products. Or have pretty much 100, 100 sold. Okay. And by changing variable cells, you just pretty much go over here, whatever cells you want to change. This now, unlike the goal seek option, this is using multiple rows. All right. So, and again, I'm going to post the older video on using the goal seek on here as well. You can click on that. Okay. And all right, so you're just changing this to that. And all right, so this is good here though. Make unconstrained variables non-negative. So if you hit this, you won't have a negative number right here. All right, and just hit OK, solve. And there we go. And I see there's all different weird numbers in here. So, all right, because it's multiplying, it's going through the part here. So, okay, if you want to save it, leave it as is. And let me just go ahead and change the format a little bit. General, number, okay, general, and number, and number. Okay, let's try and get these all the way over. Or either way. Yeah, well, you can't have part of that, so yeah. Okay, turned over. And like I said, we got 100 right here. So there you go. Like we wanted 100 and we got it. All right, well, hope you liked the video and let me know what you think. And again, like, comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Hello, and thank you again for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. It helps a whole lot. I'm about halfway from getting to 10,000 likes, which means I can put a lot better content after that. And thank you so very much for liking and subscribing in advance. And also let me know in the comments. Let me know what you would like me to add, put in, learn, you name it. any way I could help. All right, well, thank you and have a great day, and I'll see you next time.